Today at Maple Lane, we're showing you the Bachmann Portax K. This unit is seen with the dark blue metallic bow and roof, and the front ramp is open, allowing your horse to be able to walk off the front. This model can take horses up to 18 hands or smaller by setting the chest and rear stall bars to accommodate each horse loaded in. You can see lots of height, 7'7" on the inside up to the roof vent, sliding lateral windows. We have the wing door open at the moment, or it could be a ramp entry. You have your choice with the Portax. I've just flipped the 5-foot ramp back to the ramp mode, and we can walk in and you can see the setting at the rear bar here at the middle, and on this one at the lower end to be able to accommodate different lengths of horses. It's easy to remove. Lift that steel bar, put it into a new position, and you're ready to secure your horse. The advantage to the Portax model, for the horses to exit, you can lower the chest bar. We do the passenger side horse first in this model, and then they can go straight out. And then for the one on the driver's side, you just push out of the way the front panel. And I'll just turn around. You can see that's really easy to be able to walk across the front and out the ramp. This unit has the small competition decor on the side. We're just going to take a quick look into the tack cupboard, which has 2 swivel out saddle racks here. You can secure them inside. You will easily handle both English and Western saddles. And move it out of the way. You can see crop holders, broom. We have a light for evening and early morning packing of your trailer. Clean up crew utensils. So the Portax K, good for horses up to 18 hands and smaller to 33-inch wide stalls, seen here in the dark blue metallic.